Hello and welcome to another lesson with me, Mas. Today, we are going to have review. Let's take a look at some questions and we are going to solve them. As you see here, number one, we have two options, are or is. You from Peru. So we know for you, we use are. Number two. So I'm not or I'm not Lisa. I am Marisa. So for this part, we cannot use with am because this is not a question. This is a sentence, and we must use I'm not Marisa. The next one. Hi Tom. You in my class or you're in my class? Absolutely, you're in my class. The next one. Where are you from? Part B is the answer. Where are you from? I'm from Saudi Arabia. Number five. They not Portuguese. They are Brazilians or they are not Portuguese. Absolutely. They are not Portuguese. Are you from Japan? No. We are from Korea. And the last one. Are London or is London? Absolutely. London is singular noun, so is London in England. Keep going. Number 8. So, we not from Vietnam or we are not from Vietnam? We are not from Vietnam. Number 9. Are they Mexican? No, they aren't. So, number 10. Lisa and Jenny are from Trento. Lisa and Jenny, we have two people. So the answer is there. Part B is the right answer. They're Canadian. The next one. You and I are in English class. You and I means we. We're students. Number 12. Are you in class too? No, I'm not. The next one. She aren't or she isn't? Absolutely, she isn't from New York. Number 14. So the next one. What old are you or how old are you? Absolutely. How old are you? The next one. What your address or what is your address or what's your address? What's your address? It's 304 Main Street. So, but look at the answers. As you see here, you have are, I'm not, you are, where are you, and the others. So, today we are going to talk about subject pronouns. Okay? Subject pronouns. Subject pronouns means I, he, she, it, you, we, and they. So, as you see here, we use he for a man or for a boy, she for a woman or for a girl. It, you can use it for an animal or a thing. You is very clear, means you, and we means you and I. For example, he and I, they are we. They, we use it for animals, people, and we use it for, sorry, because we don't have enough space, I write it here, for things. So look at this. It, an, or eating, but they, animals, things, and people. After subject pronouns, guys, we can use to be verbs. For example, I am, he is, she is, it is, you are, we are, and they are. The contraction form or the short form or the contraction form, I am changed to I'm. He is changed to his. She is changed to she's. It is changed to its. You are your. We are their. And they are changed to their. What about the negative form, guys? Oh, wait a minute to change the color. What about the negative form? I am not. He is not. She is not. It is not. You are not. We are not. They are not. What about the short form or contraction? I am not is I'm not. The next one, he is not, he isn't. She is not, she isn't. It is not, it isn't. You are not, you aren't. We are not, we aren't. And they are not, they aren't. But be careful about I'm not. And the last one is the question form. Let's write it here again. Subject pronouns. I, he, she, it, you, we, and they. And then you have to be verbs. I am, he is, she is, it is, you are, we are, and they. are. Right now, we are going to talk about the question form. I am changed to am I. So he is he. She is she. It is it. You are you. We are we. And they are they. So right now, you know the subject pronouns, how and why we have to use them. I must. Okay. How can we use them with the to be verbs? What is the short form, negative form, the short form or the contraction form of the negative, and the question form? So, and because of this, you can come back. So, are you? Number two, I'm not. Number three, are you? Or you are, sorry. Number three, you are in my class. Number four, where are you? Number five, they aren't. Number six, we're, because you have you here. So, no, we're from Korea. Is London. Number seven. Number eight, as you see, we aren't from Vietnam. Number nine, they aren't. Lisa and Jenny is they are. You and I means we are students. Are you? No, I am not. She isn't from New York. Number 14, how old are you? And number 15, uh, what's your address? So this is the whole story that today we must talk about that. Next session, we talk about the uh, other questions in English. Thank you so much for watching me.